It's about time we start to work on her, don't you think? Yeah, I think so too. Let's get it. Alright, so we're gonna go in here and get our important trusty box. You know how we do it. You know how we do. Ooh, you so sexy. Damn, you so sexy. Damn, I should have messed already. That's what happens when you're a car enthusiast. Safety's important. Don't forget the jacket. Gotta get the other one, cause we on some other fun shit. And of course, this beautiful baby right here that we have been soon to reveal. Out like I like, like I like, like I like. Oh my lord, I wonder what is in this thing. I wonder, what could it be? Stop this right here. I can't eat it. Oh my god. Oh my god. This adder. Oh god. Alright, so what I've already gone how to do is jack the car up, put on jack stands, as you can see. Jack stand. You will then see that O2 sensor. You will then screw that O2 sensor out of that right there. That's what you're gonna see. Minus the orange shit, but yeah, that's what you're gonna see right there. Moving on to the top area, we have 5 14mm butts for the head right here. For the head, you're gonna unscrew all 5 of them. Take and put up here. Then what you're gonna do is come down to the. Perhaps we should go on the other side. Okay, here we go. Now, come on to the bottom. See that hanger right there? You're gonna want to take that off. The bottom part, not the top, unless you're gonna do extra work, which I recommend you don't do extra work. You just need to get job done. So just pop that bottom one down, and the header should come right down underneath it. That's what we're gonna do. Let's get it. So I'm gonna take this right here. Get this part in there. But as you can see, yeah, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Alright, so we got her down. As you can see, she's coming out. Down and under! Well, would you look at that? We did it. We did it, nigga! Oh shit, oh shit. Y'all ain't see that. We did it, yeah, we did it, boy! Now it's time to get the other boys. Oh my god! Oh my god! You are so precious! Oh my god! Well, god dang, boy! Wow, that oh my gosh, that looks so nice. So nice. Wait, let me get. Nice one. Okay, we have our 2 O2 sensor bongs right there. As you can see, we already have the one underneath the car, and the other one's in the car that I will get later. But that's what we have. Also have a new gasket, as you see here. Should I reuse the old one? Probably not. That one's kind of metal though. I like that one, but nah, I figured I'm just use the new one. You know, everything new. I just want to keep the new one there. You know. But then again, that's the metal, and you know, this one kind of might be finicky. Damn, what should I do? Oh, well, I'll be right. Alright, so what I've done now is place this right up under here, as y'all can see, just get it in place. And I will push it up to get everything back aligned. And we should be good to go, baby. Good to go, baby. So, once you put it up there, you're gonna have to get another person, or if you like me by yourself, just try to finesse it. But put 1 screw in one of the parts along with the gasket, and hopefully it'll go in. But for this part, you probably gonna need another person, because they definitely will help a lot. As you can see, the 1 screw I have in there, I don't know if you can see it, But there's one screw that I managed to get in there from the bottom. Well, actually from the top. That's keeping it in place right now. Then you just take the screws and then screw them right in the spots that they need to be, and you'll be done in this part. Well, about 5 of them in. That took some time. Now I'm gonna go see about the other part, and yeah, I'll see you guys in part 2 of this, guys. You already know how we coming. Out with the old and in with the new. Guys, deuces.